Hi, this is Cora Stack here, Dr. Cora Stack. I just wanted to say that all the papers are saying there are three people in the race. It's not quite the case. After a case under Judge Higgins in the High Court today, I brought a case for a judicial review because I couldn't do it through the Protective Disclosures Act because of the way these kind of cases are prevented from being supported by legal teams to the High Court. It's an absolute disgrace that they can go anywhere other than the court, and the person has to go themselves and carry the huge responsibility that goes with that. So the case has, I've been asked to serve the papers to the other side, to the Chief State Solicitor's Office, and the case will be heard with both sides present next week. So, within 1 day of having to, finishing an exhaustive schedule of impossible barriers, now these state has to explain why they put those barriers in front of us. And I really think that they really have no case, but they will have the best legal teams, they will have the best arguments, the biggest money, they'll have all the power, the wealth, they'll have the best teams in Ireland on their side, and I'm just here by myself. So it's me against the state, when in fact, if the law was properly spirited representation, both sides would have the same weight of legal representation to make the case more balanced in terms of legal representation on both sides. So it puts a huge amount of pressure on our side, on me to get the better of the best solicitors in town. Well, the best solicitors in our town were the ones that have made it impossible for me now, and they should be ashamed of themselves and the person that agreed to this legislation. I'm not sure if it was Michael McGrath, but I have a suspicion. I said allegedly him, or was it Pascal? No, I don't know. I mean, both of them were people that knew about this all these omissions and watching hidden, and never wanted to reach the court. And now this is the position that person who wants to bring a case of this nature has to go by themselves. It's a disgrace really what's happened. But anyway, we have another day to prove that point. I wasn't able to. He didn't get it. I don't think that he didn't get it. I don't think he really understood this point about the commissioner's role, that he couldn't send cases to the High Court. I don't think he quite understood it. It was well, of course, I was here today to me because I knew it. That's critical in terms of access to justice. It's more the same thing. I don't think I was able to make that point to him how critical that was in terms of fairness in the process. But anyway, look, we'll be able to make it better next time. Hopefully, maybe I'm getting it wrong now, but I just felt that that was something that I wasn't able to. But I didn't even know it myself until during the weekend. And when I read, I thought the commissioners was the more powerful, oversight. Probably not really when it comes to constitutional matters. The fact is that obviously. So we're on again now against the state, the Minister for Housing, Ms. Thornish, and some of the people you have to call to state their case why this mess has ended up in the way it has. So there are not three candidates in the race. There is still the chance of several other candidates in the race. So I think the newspapers should withdraw that until this. Because I didn't want to say it to anyone, so I kept just quiet because I didn't want to. I don't want to say anything because I don't like drawing too much attention to myself until after. But I think it's important to correct the record. The BBC, the whole after three in the race. No, the race is opened up all again now. It's all open. It's still open. It's not open. So I think I have to deserve a bit of credit for standing up there all by myself and stating the case that the whole system was very unfair to the independents.